Hello, fellow camping enthusiasts. This is Naomi with SNS Rentals 101. I'm here to show you how to work the TV. So the simple part and the first part is find the remote. It should be located on the mantle. We expect that it be there when we deliver, and we also expect that it would be there when we pick it up. Please make sure to return this remote back to its home. There are several ways that you can work your TV. One is with the remote, and the second way is if you go to the back side of the TV and you can see you have all your inputs. At the very top here is your power button, and that gives you the option to turn it on this way as well. The other great part about this TV is it is attached by a mount that is on this wall. We also have mounts located in two other locations. One mount is located in the master bedroom. On the wall, you can bring the TV in here, mount it on the wall, use the plug to plug it in. There is also a similar looking mount that is on the outside of the RV if you want to have the effect of watching TV outside. So let's get right to getting the TV started. You push the power button, and ta-da! Your TV is now working. You will need to log into your own apps, and you will need to use some sort of Wi-Fi.